Good day everyone! For today's video guys, we will unboxing our new Hanabishi multifunction cooker model HMC 300 white capacity 3 liters series Pearl White series guys. Ayan guys ang ating multifunction cooker. Okay guys, let's start our unboxing procedure. Okay guys, buksan na natin at silipin ang nilalaman ng ating multifunction cooker. Yan guys. Okay guys, ang manual. Yan guys, ang manual. Hanabishi multifunction cooker manual. Okay guys. Next guys. Ang kanyang takip. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, ang kanyang steamer. Ayan guys, steamer. Kung mag-i-steam kayo ng isda or mga vegetable guys. Ayan. Ayan guys, ang kanyang cord. Ayan. Cord guys. Ayan guys, ang cord. Siyempre guys, ang multifunction cooker. Ayan guys. Pearl white. Ayan guys, pearl white. Kulay niya guys. Oh. At ito nga pala ay ceramic na din guys. Ceramic. Ayan guys. Non-sticky guys. Yan guys. Okay guys, ang ating multifunction cooker. Yan guys. Yan guys. Again guys, thank you very much to all of you for watching my unboxing vlogging video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button. Again, thank you very much to all of you. God bless you all. Good day everyone.